now we'll probably turn it off because I'm gonna serve my friend, and yeah, I don't like that you're not capturing me brightly enough over there. Now you are, but you don't have all of me. You have a lot of the white wall, and blessed be, you should have a lot of me. Or we put you here, and you capture just enough of me. How's that go? I put my stuff here, and oh god, my battery is low. I got a little place nearby, I gotta go. Should have said no. Someone's waiting for me. I will be like, don't stay up and wait for me. Battery low, so you know, got a little place nearby, I gotta go. Let me tell you a story about the car that changed my destiny. Me and my girls went out just to end up as divas. Was about to go and she was standing in front of me. She said, I got a little place nearby, I gotta go. Should have said no. Someone waiting for me. So you don't work. I will be late, don't stay up and wait for me. Woo. We're done, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.